First time out with a Gen 2 tent and we got two problems. Darn thing broke. But that's okay, I'll show you how to fix it. These sure make it easier, that's for sure. There's definitely room in the bag for all our bedding. There's extra room for the thickness. The tent closes just fine when there's nothing in it. Lots of room to tie the strap. So we load up the tent, packed with our bedding, ready to go for the weekend. And with the extra thickness, the tent sits a little bit higher and barely have enough strap to tie it over. So what I did is I made this part a little bit longer. I cut the D-ring off the existing strap, used another strap, just looped it in half, and took the steel plate off of it, put a new strap, just looped in half. Of course, put the plastic protector against it so it doesn't rub against that zipper. About an inch longer or so, maybe an inch and a quarter, and now there's lots of room for that strap. So on the second night we open up the bag and I find this rubber washer. Where the heck did that come from? And as we look at it a little closer, the hinge has come apart and we have all our hardware, of course, got caught with the bag, so that was no problem. So what happened is the bolt at the hinge came undone. So a quick repair, good thing we bring some tools, and we're back in business. A little bit of Loctite, I'll put that back together. So actually, as I checked the others, it looks like that one just got missed. Everything else is, looks like it's put together with a hot glue, if you will, but they're locked so that they wouldn't come apart. But this one that came apart didn't seem to have that, so looks like it just got missed. As far as a bit of an update to the tent, that mattress, which is a little bit thicker, definitely better. I think it's good just as the way it is, but time will tell. And on our first trip, we certainly had the wind conditions for that flapping noise, and good news, never heard any at all. So of course, all of this follow up to previous video where we compared Gen 1 and Gen 2, and if you're interested, I've linked it below in the comments. Hope all this helps, and we'll see you next time.